bringing your glow and energy to tonight's event. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to make it official. May we please call on stage our SNJ Beauty CEO, Ms. Jazz Bonifacio, with her husband, and the brand CFO, Mr. Jared Seth Capielago. Together with...
I have a 5-year-old who's super malikot, and then I have my businesses, and I'm acting also. So, palagi akong pagod. But what makes me happy, nakaka-happy throughout the day, is my Curvy coffee. And I have it so many times a day. It's not even a joke. Parang it's a meal replacement for me kasi nakakabusog siya. But it also helps boost the metabolism. And if you know me, you know I'm very into fitness and health. And so the fact that the neem leaf extract actually helps detoxify the body, helps de-bloat. It's all the things we need to help curb our appetite. And you know, no one is perfect, guys. Kailangan natin ng tulong, pampapayat, you know, even if you're already payat, kailangan mag-maintain. And another thing that I love about Miss Jazz Bonifacio is, I'm a girl's girl, and she's a girl's girl. She's a lady boss, badass CEO, and gusto niya makatulong sa mga kababaihan na gusto maging strong, confident, and their sexiest selves, diba? So can we give her a round of applause? Sa lahat ng mga gusto maging sexy with Curvy coffee, yan, we're so happy to share this with you guys. Thank you.
Hello po, good evening. Pinapayak niyo ako, Sarah. Hindi ko po inaakala na ganito kalaki yung event na pinipare sa amin ng GMA. Sobrang naiyak ako kasi first time mag-event ng ganito ng SNJ Beauty. So, nakita ko po yung hard work ng mga team namin na talagang nagkaka-result po yung ginagawa nila. At syempre, para patunayan din po sa lahat ng mga tao na effective po yung products namin. Kahit ako rin po, ginagamit ko rin po siya personally. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Congratulations, Miss Jazz. In fairness din naman talaga, bongga yung pagka-mount ng event. And to you, Max, ayan. Congratulations, taring dami mo namang endorsement. Super busy. Ayan. So, ikaw, dear, ano yung nasa checklist mo when it comes to accepting endorsements? Of course, maraming nag-o-offer, di ba? But you can only say yes to a few. Ano yung nasa checklist?
Something that aligns with my values. Something that I can be proud of. Kasi nanay ako eh. So mahirap talaga mag-endorse ng product that I don't believe in or that goes against my values as a mom, as a strong, empowered woman. So I think what it is like, what I would like to say is that I look for brands that like to empower women. Because that's the most important thing for me. I think I've been through so much throughout my career, and I love working with strong women who are all about making us better versions of ourselves. That's really what I look for when it comes to accepting brands.
So, at last na lang. So, paano mo siya, like,
Knowing that considerations, paano mo yung verify with this brand? Diba? Paano mo ni-research na alam mo mag-a-align kayo ng values as a woman?
Actually, before pa I met Miss Jazz, we talked about the backstory of the brand and what it was about and paano nagsimula. And I think you guys don't know how young she is. She is only 29 years old. That is wild. Kasi ako, I'm 33 now, okay guys, I'm a little older. And I started my first business in my 30s. But to be 29, and to actually believe in a product so much, in her products, so much that she really ran with it. And that's why umiiyak siya ngayon eh, kasi she put her whole heart and soul into it. And I love meeting people that are so passionate, because it's not about the money parang you can see na mayaman na siya. Sorry guys. And I think that's what attracted me so much to her and SNJ Beauty was the fact na hindi niya kailangan, but she wants to help other women empower themselves and be the best versions of themselves.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.